Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a clean with me as well as undecorating for Easter and spring. I'm also going to be decluttering and organizing. I am very excited because today's video is in collaboration with Emily from Mama from Scratch Life. You guys, she started a all lifestyle channel and you guys will love it. Make sure you go over there and subscribe. Let her know that Lynn sent you. If you are coming from Emily's channel, I am so happy you are here. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. We are going to have so much fun cleaning this house and kind of sprucing it up for summer, and I am excited to do this with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to start in my kitchen. I will like to clean all of the dishes and get this prepped because when I start taking all of the seasonal decor down, I will usually bring it into the kitchen area and the table, and I want to make sure this is all cleaned off first. This is a little something that Liam will do to help me out when I am cleaning. He will put all of the dog's toys away, and also any stuff on the floor, he'll put it on the ottoman so it is easy to put away.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong,
You guys, this is mom life. I found a bouncy ball in the dishwasher, and this was one that Noah has been looking for. So, mom for the win. I found his bouncy ball, and he was really thrilled. I am going to use my e-cloth, and I am going to wipe down all of my countertops. I wanted to ask you guys if this green flannel tied around my waist looked familiar. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which I would really hope that you would, I shared this with one of my newest Salvation Army thrift store hauls. So definitely make sure you follow me over there because we have a lot of fun and I can hang out with you guys on a daily basis. All right, you guys, here are all of my items for spring and Easter. I love this time of year and I love to decorate for this season, but I also love to put it away because it just feels so clean and just fresh. So I will miss it, but until next year, it is time to move on. This is the next little area that I am going to focus on. I am going to dust this little side table as well as try to hide this little Google Home. It is such an eyesore in my opinion, but I am able to hide it behind a frame, which is really nice, and use these really bright yellow flowers. I love how cleaned off the bar is as well. And now I'm going to go on to the entryway and dust it really good. I feel like dusting needs to be done on a daily basis, especially with so many people in the house. Now on to the playroom. You guys have heard me say it before. This is my least favorite room in the house. It is just really hard for me to decorate, but I think I've got some ideas, but I'm definitely going to need my husband's help. But anyway, I'm going to start cleaning up the floor a little bit in here and just organizing and decluttering. Let me know in the comments below, what is your least favorite room in your house that needs to be decorated and you just, it just needs your attention. Let me know in the comments below. There were a lot of papers accumulating on this desk, but of course Ruby has to get her attention first, but it definitely needed to be taken care of, so I am going to start decluttering and organizing this a little bit. This command center also definitely gets cluttered very quickly. I love having it because it keeps a lot of clutter off of the countertops, but every so often I need to definitely go through here and just start throwing away things that I've just accumulated.
But can we just hold up, maybe stay up, try to make things right? I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head, don't know why.
These magazines are my Ballard design magazines. I save them. I get so much design inspiration from these magazines, and I follow them on Instagram as well. Let me know in the comments below, do you guys also just love marking everything off of your grocery list? I just feel so accomplished when I do. My office was another room that definitely needed to be decluttered and organized, so that is what I am going to do. I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out and start putting it in the proper spot so it is much easier to get to. I am going to put some command strips on the bottom of my monitor. It just helps for me to be able to wrap up all of my cords and just keep them just snugly put, I don't even think that's a word, but you know, snug and put away and just not all over the desk.
Hey, won't you stay a little bit longer? I'm sorry, didn't mean to, but I hurt you. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see.
This area is definitely one that gets really cluttered. The kids just come in and drop their backpacks down and usually will just drop any of their old papers, so I needed to take care of it. And what I will do when I'm cleaning is I usually will just throw everything on the floor unless I have a bag, and then you guys know that is how I do things. I just put it in all in one spot and I will take care of it all at once.
I apologize for everything.
Since I dusted in here, I like to make sure I vacuum very well. I try to always dust and then vacuum just to make sure I get anything out of the air and off the ground.
Playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching.
I have gotten questions on these bookshelves in the past. These are the IKEA Billy bookshelves. You can do so many fun things with them. Check it out on Pinterest, and the just possibilities are endless to really make these look really nice and built in.
Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way.
Now that I am done with my office, I am going to start putting away all of the Easter and spring decor. Like I had mentioned, I put it all on the table, and then I'm going to load it up to be put in the attic. It is time to put everything in the attic. I'm going to wipe down the table real good. I am coming to an end, and honestly, as much as I love to decorate for the seasons, I love to take it down. There is something about a nice, open, clean space that is just so good for my soul. Let me know in the comments below. Do you feel me? There's something about it. I just love it. I think I need this little time in between where everything's just clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go over to Emily's new channel. Let her know Lynn sent you. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you join my little YouTube family. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I appreciate you all and I love you all. I'll see you soon. Bye.